Secondary School, Tirunelveli. See, my teammates are B. Sharvin and G. Harshavardhan. My project name is door alarm. Components used in this are 2 magnets, 2 coins, cardboard, color paper, battery, buzzer and plastic truss.
Start.
The problem, the door open alarm uses an input sensor fixed at the corner of the door frame and a magnet fixed on the door panel close to the sensor. When the door is open, the magnet moves away from the sensor, generating a controlling signal to sound the alarm. Solution. They guard against one of the most common security instruction events, pickpocketing or tailgating. Door alarm are effective burglary protectors at the moment a door is opened by a burglary attempt. The sensors can active a flash, a loud sound and a phone call or any combination of the above.